OPPO phones offer sleek design, big storage, and hold tons of data. So regular backups are a must. In this guide, we'll show you 5 easy ways to back up and restore your OPPO, whether full or selective. Way 1. How to perform OPPO Backup and Restore with Android Backup and Restore. When choosing an OPPO backup tool, key factors are security, data types, and ease of use. OPPO Backup Manager for Android meets all needs at free, simple, and lets you back up any Android phone in one click. Backup OPPO to PC with OPPO Backup Manager for Android, known as Android Backup and Restore. Step 1. Install and open OPPO Backup and Restore on your PC. Connect your OPPO with a USB cable. Follow the prompts, then click Backup. Step 3. Click on the Backup button at the bottom right to put the chosen files from OPPO to your computer as a secure backup. Way 2. How to backup OPPO phone to PC and restore it via Assistant for Android. If you want to back up and restore the phone selectively or in bulk, and meanwhile want to do advanced management of some files, then you can turn to OPPO Assistant for Android. Backup OPPO to PC or Mac with OPPO Assistant for Android. Step 1. Install and open OPPO Assistant for Android on your PC. Connect your OPPO via USB. Step 2. Let the tool detect your phone by following the prompts. File types will appear on the left panel. Step 3. Select a data type from the left menu, for example, Contacts, All Contacts. Preview and choose the files you want, then click Export to back them up to your PC. Restore OPPO with OPPO Assistant for Android. Go for the data type like Contacts from the left menu, and then tap Import at the top menu to choose the backup files, to move them to the connected OPPO or other Android device. Way 3. How to back up and restore OPPO phones with local backup. Backup OPPO. Go to Settings, Additional Settings, Backup and Restore, and enable it to save data to phone storage. Restore OPPO. In the same menu, select a backup Personal, System, Apps, and tap Start Restoring. Way 4. How to do OPPO Backup and Restore using OPPO Cloud. Backup to OPPO Cloud. Backup OPPO Cloud. Turn on Wi-Fi. Open Tap Cloud. Log in. Then enable Auto Backup or tap Backup Now. Restore. Log in, select a backup, and restore to your OPPO. Way 5. How to backup OPPO phone and restore it with Gmail account. Backup via Gmail. Backup. Turn on Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, Backup and Reset. Enable Backup My Data and log into Gmail. Restore. Tap Backup and Restore. Select a backup and restore. Way 6. How to back up and restore OPPO with Google One. Backup. Go to Settings, Google Backup. Turn on Backup to Google One and tap Backup Now. Restore. Connect to Wi-Fi. Sign into Google. Select a backup. Choose Data and tap Restore.